Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel where we are the squad and you are the studs. If you were looking for some style tips, tricks, hacks, whatever you want to call them for this 2022, you've come to the right place. Number one guys, it is right in front of you. Fanny packs or man bags, satchels, whatever you want to call them. Guys, this is a style hack for two reasons. Obviously it's utility, but the reason that I want to focus on today is it gives the appearance or the illusion of an extra layer. When are you going to use this and why would you actually want to use this? Well, first off, the utility it brings to the table, it keeps your silhouette from your pants looking like pants and not like you have bulges walking around. And also, if it's too hot outside and you don't want to throw on another jacket, you want to rock something a little bit thick here, but you don't want to put something extra on, you can always rock one of these. You walk around with it, it just looks like an extra layer versus just look plain and simple, which you could still look stylish in. But this is also one hack that you should consider if you just want to put some extra layers on without all the heat. Number two, guys, when in doubt, look at the store mannequins. The work is already done for you. If you actually haven't watched every single video that I've posted, you don't have to. You could just go to a store and look at a mannequin and they're going to have outfits already picked out for you. It's there. All you have to do is look. If you like, you grab and you go. Sub hack somewhere in there. You could always ask for the opinion of a female or male employee in the store. If you want a masculine opinion about something, then go ask a dude. If you want an opinion of a lady and you need to know if it looks good and if a girl would like that, you could go ahead and ask a female colleague from the store. That's it. Number three, guys, it is sweatpants. Sweatpants are the male version of female leggings. And female leggings, we all know they all look good. They are all comfortable and you could pull off some really awesome outfits with leggings. So why not do it with sweats? Yes, I know. I've bashed them before on the channel, but for good reason. They have their time, they have their space for it to shine. So if you're out and about and you just want to look comfortable, you want to be comfortable, but you also want to look stylish and effortless, sweatpants is the way to go. Number four, guys, your underwear. Whether you're at home or you're staying at somebody else's place for X or Y reason, you always need to make sure that you look good when you're all dressed up or you're all dressed down. You need to make sure that you look stylish. And this means that keeping your underwear clean, new, and not broken is extremely important. Also, materials and the structure of the underwear itself brings a whole bunch of health benefits. It keeps your junk up nice, tight, and it keeps it healthy. Also, cotton lets you breathe, so you're not gonna have swamp balls all day walking around with those things, and you can just overall be a healthy guy while looking clean and staying clean. Speaking about staying clean, guys, number five is keeping your hairs in place. You are not ugly, for God's sakes. You are simply unkept, whether that be your nails, your haircut, or just your beard if you decide to rock one, or a mustache, or whatever kind of facial hair you decide to rock. Make sure that it is always well kept. No one is ugly, you're just not looking fresh as you can be. So go visit your barber, give them a couple bucks, make sure they eat too, because barbers, they need love. We love you, barbers. Guys, that is it for this video. If you enjoy the content, you know what to do. So thank you so much for watching, guys. Stay safe and stay stylish.